Okay, boys and girls, I want to talk about another letter today, and the letter is the letter H, right? The name of this letter is H. But we also want to learn about the sound of this letter. And it's quite easy to remember the sound of the letter H. Okay? So the H makes this sound. Today, we're going to talk about some words that begin with the sound, and we're going to look at some pictures that begin with the sound. All right? So let's begin. All right. Here are three words that begin with the sound. Okay? The first word here is hot. Okay? You know, like in the summer, the sun is usually very hot. So, hot. Did you hear the sound at the beginning of this word? Hot. Yeah, you definitely hear the sound at the beginning. Hot. Next, the next word is hat. Okay? Look, hat. Now, again, do you hear the sound at the beginning of hat? Hat. And the third word here is hit. Okay? You hit the wall. So the word hit began with the sound. Okay, so we have a couple more pictures to look at. All of these words begin with the sound. Okay? So let's start with one of our favorite food. And that is hamburger. Okay? So you see the H right there. So hamburger begin with the sound. Next, hat, which we already talked about. Okay? Again, it begins with the sound. This is a hen. Hen. Hen also begin with. Look at this long words. Hippopotamus. See, hippopotamus begin with the sound too. Oh, and here is a house. The word house begin with the sound. Next, we have a horse. Okay? Horse begin with too. And the last one is helicopter. Okay? Helicopter. So helicopter also begin with the sound. Remember, the name of this letter is H, but the sound of this letter is. What's the sound again? H says